TJ Hunt had to swallow a huge pill to cure his stick-it-to-the-maniosis.
What's that? I never heard of it.
You're lucky, because it's hell.
The headlines have been, a huge automotive manufacturer sent a cease and desist to a famous automotive YouTuber weeks before SEMA 2024 about his controversial coupe. TJ Hunt was banned from bringing his Mustang GTD copycat by Ford, which sucks. First of all, I just want to say that it's a beautiful build. I'm glad that it saw the light of day, but unfortunately not for what TJ Hunt planned for. So I think it's a nice replica of the Mustang GTD. Okay, you know what? Let's put faces on the names. So TJ Hunt has been doing YouTube videos in his friend's garage, who's a fellow Filipino, Kuya Calvin, with their BRZs. And, you know, that propelled his YouTube career. And I've been following TJ Hunt since like 2015, which is the same year that I actually started my car enthusiast journey. And watching them back at 2015, I was like, you know what? I want what they have. Fast forward to today, yeah, I still want what they have. Like, he got really successful into a point where now he's running an automotive aero brand named StreetHunter Design. They're known for their wide bodies on vehicles like the first and second generation of BRZ or GT86, A50 Supra, and the new Nissan Z. Earlier this summer of 2024, they announced that they're going to release a GTD-inspired wide body kit. It gained a lot of positive feedback, and I thought it was a really neat concept, but it definitely, you know, was riddled with legal issues just because of how similar it looks with the with Ford's Mustang GTD. Now you're like, okay, what the f is Mustang GTD? So in this generation of, you know, the death of the Camaro and the lame attempt of electrifying the Challenger, Ford announced a bigger and better version of the Mustang, which is basically a daily drivable Mustang GT3 race car. And it's meant to compete with the Porsche 911 GT3 RS. Problem with this Mustang, and I know it's just a Mustang, is that it has a price tag of a whopping $325,000 with a limited run of 1,000 units to be sold. So StreetHunter thought that, hey, we should create a wide body kit for the masses that is GTD inspired, but add key elements that would make it, you know, have that StreetHunter design signature. And then so that, you know, the people won't spend $300,000 just to have that look.
That was the plan. Not a great plan.
TJ Hunt claimed that there are other businesses that are doing the same thing. So for the 5 minutes that I've researched, I've only saw an S550 to S650 GTD conversion kit by Robot Body Kits. Did they get the same cease and desist? I don't know. They're taking pre-orders though, but it's not a direct competition because the body kit is for the S550, which is basically the 2014 to 2023 Mustangs. Here's the thing too, TJ's 2024 Mustang GT build has been plagued with series of unfortunate events. The fact that when he took delivery of his Mustang, it immediately broke down and went into a whole fiasco with multiple service visits, but Ford did right by him by getting him a new engine for his Mustang, which is like a huge move. But here's the thing, he proceeds to dub the Mustang as a lemon. It felt backhanded, and you know, I think it's not a really good PR. Like, I get it, it's a bait for content, and hey, he's monetizing the drama that the Mustang went through.
That is
showbiz right there.
But as a small business owner, you know, I feel TJ's frustration because he wasn't able to deliver, you know, what they thought that they could. All of the wasted resources and lost future sales, you know, they can't recuperate from that. It sucks, but then again, it feels like they shot themselves on the foot on this one by attempting to produce a kit that looks like Ford's Halo car and, you know, undercut the market. The day and age of AI generated content and the plagiarism is an all-time high. I don't know why they overlooked the similarities between their kit and Ford Mustang GTD. But hey, at least he owns the first ever bootlegged Mustang GTD, even before the real GTD is released. Bottom line, I'm just glad that the team finished the Mustang build, and it looked great from the videos and the photos. They worked really hard on it. Unfortunately, Ford had to do what, you know, they're supposed to do, and TJ Hunt had to take the L. And now all he's got to do is just keep moving forward.